Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I am going to discuss about technique of visualization to accomplish anything. Okay, why visualization is important? First of all, we must be know what do you mean by visualization. Visualization means that imagine your desired future as it existed in the present time. Okay, visualization means that imagine your desired future as it existed in present time. Okay, visualization means imagine your desired future as it existed in present time. Why visualization is important? Because when you visualize, your brain instruct our neuron to perform action. Okay, because when you visualize, your brain instruct our neuron to perform action. Visualization impact our attention. Visualization impact our perception. Visualization impact our planning. Visualization impact our memory. Okay, visualization impact our attention. Visualization impact our perception. Visualization impact our planning. Visualization impact our memory. Okay, at the time of visualization, at the time of visualization, brain is getting trained brain is getting trained to perform actual action Okay, at the time of visualization, your brain is getting trained to perform actual action. One more important thing, why visualization is important? Because visualization increase our confidence. Okay, how visualization increase our confidence? Because you already 100 times achieve your goal into your brain when you visualized. Okay, visualization increase our confidence because you have already 100 times achieve your goal before visualization. That's why visualization is very important. I will give you some example. I will give you example of Olympic gold medalist. Okay, I will give you example of Olympic gold medalist here. Okay, skier said that I always visualize the run before I do it. Okay, I always visualize run before I do it. Skier said that. Okay, world champion Niklos. Okay, what is said by him? Niklos. What said Niklos? Niklos said that I never hit a shoot, not even a practice. ठीक है, I never hit a shoot, not even a practice, without having a sharp in focus picture into my head. Okay, both believe in visualization, both achieve their goal by visualization. Even there are so many athletes, so many successful people achieve their goal by technique of visualization. Okay, so visualization is very important process. If you set your goal and put back into your head, means forget your goal. If you set your goal, then forget about it, you never achieve your goal. So visualization continue remind us about our goal. So we say that visualization is very important aspect to achieve anything. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about step in visualization. First step in set relax and positive state of mind. Okay, first step in visualization is that set relaxed and positive state of mind. It means that you must be relaxed at the time of visualization. You may take walking in peaceful area, you may listening the instrumental music. Okay, for example, if you want to come in relaxed and positive state of mind, you may be walk in peaceful area, you may be listen instrumental music while doing the visualization. Second step is that take deep breath. Okay, while before starting a visualization, you need to take deep breath. Okay, third Third step is that start visualization. Okay, in this step you start visualization, but you do not miss detail. You do not miss detail. What kind of detail? For example, these person want to get his dream job. He's starting visualization of getting dream job. He should not miss the detail. He should not miss the positive response of interviewer. Okay, he should not miss positive response of interviewer. You are selected. Your performance is amazing. You are fabulous. Okay, I never see candidate like you. These kind of positive response he must be visualized while visualizing their dream job. Okay, this is start visualizing, but don't miss detail. For example, this person want to visualize their dream job. He should not miss positive response of interviewer while visualizing the dream job. That is essential. Okay. Now, hold your all emotions. Hold your emotions. Hold emotions means that emotions of feeling confidence, peace, joy, happy. You need to hold your all emotions when you visualize. For example, when you get your dream job, how happy will you feel? How peaceful will you feel? How confidence will you feel? How confidence will your family will feel when you get your dream job? You need to add your whole emotions while doing the process of visualization. Okay, in this step you hold your all emotion. And last step, make habit of visualization. You should make a habit of visualization. You should involve visualization in your daily life, in your day-to-day life. And lastly, eventually you will see you are taking action. You are taking action to achieve your goal. Okay, that is process of visualization. I think you will be understand. Thank you.